Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports, only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best who has fought in the holy war in his way. And only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best that who has been wounded in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad Saidi radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had an encounter with the polytheists and massacre ensued there. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam inspected his army and the other theirs. Amongst the Prophet's companions, there was a man who would not leave any alone or fleeing polytheist alive, rather chased him and killed him with his sword. He, Hazrat Sahal, said, today none of us was as useful as he was. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, but he is amongst the denizens of hell. One of the Muslims said, I will remain with him. He says, I shadowed him closely. Wherever he would stand, I would also stand there. When he would run, I would also run with him. He said he got a severe wound, so he hurried to commit suicide, placed the handle of his sword on the ground and his chest on its edge, and then put all his weight on the sword, so he committed suicide. Thereafter that man, the observer, came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, I bear witness that you are the true apostle of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, what has happened? He submitted, recently you have said about so and so that he is one of the denizens of hell. And the people got astonished at it. I told them that I would make you aware of the fact. So I ventured to find the reality. So he got seriously wounded and hastened to commit suicide. He placed the handle of his sword on the ground and supporting his body on its edge, put his whole weight on it, and thus he committed suicide. At that time Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly, a man apparently performs the deeds as are performed by the people destined to enter paradise, but in fact he is one of the denizens of hell. And someone apparently performs the deeds as are performed by the denizens of hell, but in fact he is one of the dwellers of paradise. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2898.